18th India State of Forest Report ISFR 2023. Shri Bhupender Yadav, Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, released the India State of Forest Report 2023 ISFR 2023 on December 21, 2024 at the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. The ISFR 2023 marks the 18th edition in the series. Published biennially by the Forest Survey of India since 1987, it provides an in-depth evaluation of India's forest and tree resources. 18th India State of Forest Report ISFR 2023. It utilizes remote sensing satellite data and the National Forest Inventory (NFI) for its assessments. Covered area. The report contains information on forest cover, tree cover, mangrove cover, growing stock, carbon stock in India's forests, instances of forest fire, agroforestry, etc. Key find: 18th India State of Forest Report ISFR 2023. It utilizes remote sensing satellite data and the National Forest Inventory (NFI) for its assessments. Covered area. The report contains information on forest cover, tree cover, mangrove cover, growing stock, carbon stock in India's forests, instances of forest fire, agroforestry, etc. Key findings of ISFR 2023. Less than strong greater than forest and tree cover less than strong greater than. The total forest and tree cover in the country spans 8,27,356.95 kilometers or sub-2, accounting for 25.17% of its geographical area. Forest cover constitutes 7,15,342.61 kilometers or sub-2, 21.76%, while tree cover comprises 1,12,014.34 kilometers or sub-2, 3.41%. Total coverage 8,27,356.95 kilometers or sub-2, which is 25.17% of India's geographical area. GA. Key findings of ISFR 2023. Forest cover 7,15,342.61 kilometers or sub-2, 21.76%. Tree cover 1,12,014.34 kilometers और sub-2, 3.41%. Scrub area 43,622.64 kilometers और sub-2, 1.33%. Non-forest area 24,16,489.29 kilometers और sub-2, 73.50%. Net increase 1,445.81 kilometers or sub-2 compared to 2021. Forest cover जोड़ 156.41 kilometers or sub-2. State-wise highlights: less than strong greater than less than span style equals font family, work bees body font family font size, work bees body font size font weight, work bees body font weight text align, work bees body text align greater than largest increase forest and tree cover less than span greater than less than strong greater than. Chhattisgarh जोड़ 684 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Uttar Pradesh जोड़ 559 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Odisha जोड़ 559 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Rajasthan जोड़ 394 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Less than strong greater than largest increased forest cover less than strong greater than. Mizoram जोड़ 242 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Gujarat जोड़ 180 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Odisha जोड़ 152 kilometers और sub-2 winking face. Less than strong greater than largest decrease less than strong greater than. Madhya Pradesh -612.41 kilometers or sub-2 winking face. Karnataka -459.36 kilometers or sub-2 winking face. Ladakh -159.26 kilometers or sub-2 winking face. Nagaland -125.22 kilometers or sub-2 winking face. Regional performance or mangrove cover. Western Ghats eco-sensitive areas 73% 44,043.99 kilometers or sub-2 winking face of 60,285.61 kilometers or sub-2 under forest cover. Northeastern region 67% 1,74,394.70 kilometers or sub-2 winking face of the region or ESGA. Total 4,991.68 kilometers or sub-2 0.15% अवगा. Net change decrease of 7.43 kilometers or sub-2 since 2021. Gujarat -36.39 kilometers or sub-2. Andhra Pradesh जोड़ 18.01 kilometers or sub-2. Maharashtra जोड़ 12.39 kilometers or sub-2. State UT rankings. Largest forest and tree cover area. First, Madhya Pradesh 85,724 वर्ग किलोमीटर. Second, Arunachal Pradesh 67,083 वर्ग किलोमीटर. Third, Maharashtra 65,383 वर्ग किलोमीटर. First, लक्षद्वीप 91.33%. Second, मिजोरम 85.34%. Third, अंडमान और निकोबार आइलैंड्स 81.62%. कार्बन स्टॉक नेशनल एस्टिमेट 7,285.5 million tons जोड़ 81.5 million tons since 2021. Top contributors अरुणाचल प्रदेश 1021 मट, मध्य प्रदेश 608 मट, छत्तीसगढ़ 505 मट, महाराष्ट्र 465 मट. Target progress. India or as carbon stock exceeds the 2005 baseline by 2.29 billion tons, nearing the 2030 target of 2.5 or endish 3.0 billion tons. Forest cover mapping. Less than strong greater than definition. Less than strong greater than land area exceeding 1 hectare with a tree canopy density greater than 10%, including tree orchards, bamboo, palms, etc. Very dense forest VDF canopy density or GAY 70%. Moderately dense forest MDF canopy density 40 or endish 70%. Open forest of canopy density 10 or endish 40%. Scrub canopy density or ELT 10